Ciao, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. Any chit chats or your requests, I'm on Instagram, and I will put the link on the screen now. Before we crack on, huge thank you to the new lovely people that subscribe and join my journey. Your love and support is always much appreciated. Thank you, guys, and massive thank you to the old subscribers, my little family that decide to sticking out with me. Today, fun project. I'm showing you how I made this pop-up boxed card using a Alice in Wonderland kit from Stamperia. They get a really gorgeous die cut element, and everything falls flat, as you can see, and everything opens and it stays like this. This is gonna stay with me. Go to the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, guys, so I am using some paper that were left from this Impossible Cut kit. I think it was free with the magazine or a magazine kit. I can't really remember. I had it for a long time. So you had some papers, some stickers, and you get the foam pads as well. I've done a video with this kit if you're interested, and I will put the link in here, guys, on the corner, so if you want to go and check it out. And this paper what was left, but mostly what I want to showcase to you guys today is this amazing die cuts set from Stamperia from Alice. So I bought this from Amazon, and of course I will put everything that I use that will be linked in the info box. So if you guys want to purchase anything, go and follow the link. Okay, this amazing set, you get 62 die cuts in a really thick cardstock, really thick. You get all sorts of images. You got the Queen of Hearts, the rabbit, you get the cat, you get him, which I don't remember who it is, tags, all sorts of Alice in all sorts of different shapes, the rabbit again, the servants, the cards, again huge Alice, the king, all sorts of elements, and then you've got this huge tags of Alice, which is massive. So I will do separate tutorial with this because I won't be able to use all of this today because there's a lot. So I'm going to move this into one side. So the base, so I already go ahead and created the box because otherwise it will be too long. But I'm just going to give you some direction. So you just need a piece of cardstock. Don't worry whatever it is, because it's going to be covered if you have this kit. Otherwise it just can be blank, or any paper that you guys want to use. So the cardstock measures 10 and a half by 6. So on the 10.5 size, you score a 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10, and you get that 1/2 inch tab. Okay, so it's 2.5 square. Then what you do, guys, you want to turn it around, okay, and score it at 2.5. Because if you don't do this, and if you score it on this side, because the fiber of the paper, if you fold this, you know, with a score line there, you don't have on here, you get a bit of resistance. See, the paper is still sticking up like we want to do. If you score in the same way and then fold it, the paper will just fall flat like that. So I suggest turn it around, score it, and then that will be folded this way. Okay, so the vertical score line will give you the box. So literally the panels. We've got one more. There and there. Okay, so that's the box. And then the last horizontal line will give you the tabs. Okay, that's simple as. And what you do, guys, you simply cut it all the tabs following the score line. And as you can see, I fold it flat, and I fold it and I cut it more like in a triangle shape. Okay, and then what I did, I round all the corners with my round corner punch, but you don't have to do this. I do like it because it gets that finished look. As I told you guys, I used this paper, which I put inside the side, it gets folded over. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put the little tabs when all the elements were sticking up. So what you do, you get some strings. Mine measured 3.5 by half, and then you fold it and 1/2 inch on each side, so you get 2.5 size. But whatever the size you do or your cubes, just make sure the size of your tab, the length is exactly the same as the panel here. Okay, so the quickest way to do this, you put some glue on one of the tabs. Come on, glue, you can do this. I need to fill it up, to be fair. Okay, so you get a tiny bit of glue in there and you position it just before the score line. So do one and then do the same with the other two. So put a tiny bit of glue in there and then you position it where you want them to go. Try, if you want them, you can put it in a different dimension, but it doesn't really matter because the strings that will attach your elements, you can play around with that high. Okay. So yeah, so all the tabs are attached, and then the quickest way to do this, you put some glue on the top tab. You make sure they're all flat, and then you fold the full box over, press it for a few seconds and hold it down just for a few seconds. Okay, and then if you slightly open them, you got them in place where they should be, and you know they're going to be straight. And then what I do with my bone folder is, I can't show it, in fact, yeah, I can show you. I just go over it and press it down. So make sure they're all steady. And what I did last, what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach the tab that will seal the box. Then again, fold it flat. Okay, and that is it. Simple as. Okay. So, what we're going to do now, so once the base of your box, you see the little wings, they stay up because of the fiber resistance. So if you want this effect, I will suggest to follow that little tip on this color line. Okay, so now we're going to have some fun and going to stick all these elements here where you want them to go. Okay guys, so it's done. So the card is done. I'm just going to put this way so you guys can see it. So you've got all different layers with the elements. What I suggest, because this die cut is really thick, just make sure when you do glue on the back, you see here I put this gigantic flower, so that is balance my weight. So make sure once everything is straight, you see there is enough weight on the back of your strips to balance all the elements, because otherwise they will all fall flat. Because again, this really thick cardstock. It's usual, everything falls flat, so it goes into an envelope like that, and this will fit a 6x6. Oh, got some rubbish there. 6x6 envelope, which again you can use it. You know, make it using the die cuts elements that we got left. I still got literally most of the bags, so it's really good value for money, because you probably get 2-3 cards, in fact probably more, of this set. You can make like journals. I'm gonna do another project with the remaining of this. I'm gonna do like an Alice in Wonderland journal. Or if you guys think about something that you want me to make using the remainder of this kit, just leave me a comment down below and I'll do it. Right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this little box. So I decided this little box will stay on my desk because it's really, really pretty. So I won't send out to anybody, I'm afraid. I really, really love it. I love how it turns up. I use some more elements on each side to put the rabbit and got Alice and a little tag. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up. That supports the video doing well. If you're not ready, please join me and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me, guys. Any chit chats or video requests, I'm on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day and I will see you very soon. Bye.